Hello, I'm Marissa Vicario, founder of Marissa's Wellbeing and Health and creator of the Total Reset Healthy Eating Plan. Today I'm going to show you how to make wild rice and apple salad. I absolutely love making hearty salads with leftover whole grains. For this salad you can use anything from brown rice to quinoa, but today I'm going to be using wild rice. So I'm going to add 2/3 cup of wild rice to a mixing bowl, 1/2 cup of diced apple, 2 teaspoons of dried cranberries, and 1 teaspoon of toasted walnuts. And now I'm going to make my dressing. For the dressing, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a clove of garlic diced, some black pepper, some sea salt, and some orange zest. I'm going to whisk this all together and then drizzle my salad dressing right over the wild rice salad. Give it a nice stir, and that is how you make wild rice and apple salad. I'm Marissa Vicario, founder of Marissa's Wellbeing and Health and creator of the Total Reset Healthy Eating Plan.